Does my insurance cover mammograms for breast cancer? Have you ever wondered if your insurance will help cover the cost of a mammogram? Many women do, especially when it comes to early detection of breast cancer. Under the Affordable Care Act, most health insurance plans in the United States are required to cover preventive services like screening mammograms without any out-of-pocket costs. This means if you're over 40 and your plan is ACA compliant, your routine screening mammogram should be fully covered when performed by an in-network provider. These screenings are meant for women with no symptoms, aiming to catch breast cancer early when it is most treatable. It's important to understand the difference between screening and diagnostic mammograms. Screening mammograms are routine checks for women without symptoms, and they are usually free of charge under your insurance. Diagnostic mammograms, on the other hand, are done if you notice symptoms like a lump, nipple discharge, or if a screening mammogram shows something unusual. These diagnostic tests are typically covered but may involve some costs, such as copays or coinsurance, depending on your insurance plan. If you are at higher risk for breast cancer, your insurance might also cover additional tests like breast MRI or ultrasound. These are often recommended for women with dense breast tissue or genetic risk factors. However, coverage for advanced imaging like three-dimensional mammography, also called tomosynthesis, can vary by insurer and state. Medicare provides coverage for women starting at age 40. It covers a baseline mammogram once between ages 35 and 39, then annual screening mammograms for women 40 and older. If a diagnostic mammogram is needed, Medicare generally covers it, but you might pay 20% of the approved amount after meeting your deductible. Looking ahead, starting in 2026, new rules will require group health plans to cover not just the initial mammogram but also any additional imaging or lab work needed to complete the screening process, all without extra costs. This change aims to make early detection even easier and more accessible. To make sure you're fully covered and avoid surprises, it's a good idea to check with your insurance provider before scheduling your mammogram. Confirm whether it will be classified as screening or diagnostic, and ask about any potential costs. Remember, regular screening mammograms are a key part of breast cancer prevention and early detection, and most insurance plans support this important health step. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice and to understand what coverage applies to your specific situation.